Hello friends, this is Sai Panindra from SQL School, and this is to inform you about a new batch for Azure Data Engineering starting from today, December 28th, 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. India time. I assure you, complete practical classes from scratch, right from the basics, right from the very beginning of fundamentals of Azure. We'll dive into the depth of data factory, data lake, data analytics, Databricks, stream analytics, PySpark, Spark, SparkSQL, Hadoop, event hubs, logic apps, and more. Come on, let's have a live demo session. Let's understand step by step on what is engineering, why we need it, and various job roles, responsibilities, and the real-time project for our resume. Once again, I assure you complete practical classes from scratch, right from the basics. Signing off now and meeting you there in the live demo session. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Thank you. Bye-bye.